Welcome to Dr. Jason's Kitchen. I have my friends Jack and Neva here to show us one of their favorite healthy snacks. What is your favorite healthy snack that we're going to talk about?
Celery and butter.
Oh, that sounds great.
Butter. I know, I said peanut butter.
Can you show me how you make it?
Alright. 1, 2.
A little known fact that a lot of people don't know about celery, it's what we call a negative calorie food. It takes you more calories used up to eat and chew celery than are actually in it.
Yeah?
It's probably not negative with the peanut butter calories, but that's... And this was a snack I loved to eat when I was a kid. We would sometimes put chocolate chips or raisins on them and call it ants on a log. Did you ever do that?
Yeah, my dad.
Your dad did that? Yeah. What a great snack. Healthier children, parents, you got this. See you soon. Please hit that little thumbs up to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then hit the little bell so that you won't miss a thing.